Why Allah says right? Ala
Today, global warming, bunches of plastic bags, haze, waste are all happening around the globe, massive and wide, done by human. Us. We log all we want, eagerly chasing our highest achievement. We litter as we like, as long as it doesn't disturb us. Selfish. Yup, that's us, human. But didn't think of the consequences. As long as we're happy, that happiness won't last long. Humans are greedy. It was, is, and never enough. We waste electric to equip our daily routine, all for ourselves and loved ones. The rest? No, don't care. We waste plastic bags that affect greenhouse. We just don't care. Why? Perhaps because it doesn't affect us. Dear Earth, sorry for not taking the authority to worry. But from now on, we realized that we as humans, we need to think, speak, and act on behalf of the earth. Carry green hands along with us wherever we go. We are the ones that need to beautify our beautiful world. Your friends, dear mom and dad, teachers, and all future generations. These small steps can lead to big steps. We know that big development often start from small beginnings. So what exactly are we waiting for? Lights off. How to do it? We switch the plugs off whenever you didn't need it. Just remember this. Note that it is for the earth, and the earth doesn't carry only you inside it. Use green bag or biodegradable bags. Do you know that it gives much comfort to the earth rather than using plastic bags, which takes hundreds or even 1,000 years to dispose a single plastic bag? Can you see that small hands can make a big difference towards the earth? Stay calm and do it right.